What's up, guys? Joel here again.
Acquisitions Lou here.
So, guys, we're going to talk real quick about this giveaway and why we're doing it. So we want to get back to you guys, right? And we think the best way to get back is to give you an inbound lead. This is how we have made our money. This is how we've made hundreds of thousands. This is how we've made millions in the real estate space. So for any subscriber that likes any video, comments a question on the video, and shares the video in at least one wholesale real estate Facebook group, will enter to win. We'll reach out to you in the comments. We'll get your email. We'll send you an inbound lead as soon as it comes in. We'll probably also share with you some acquisitions videos that we stand by, that we've used in our process to make over $1 million in wholesale and real estate in a year, right? So that's the goal. I know not everyone's trying to hit 1 million. Some people are just trying to replace their job, their income. All right, so let's say 100,000 in a year, right? This one inbound lead could turn into who knows how much and could pave the way to your financial future, because that's the goal. Let's work together. If you got fire damage deal, send it our way. Let's work together. Let's make a ton of money together. All right, guys, signing out.
Peace.